In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an assignment in Microsoft Teams. This process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll feel confident navigating the platform to submit your work efficiently. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you want to open Microsoft Teams on your device. Once it's up and running, look for the team that corresponds to your class. You might have multiple teams, so make sure you select the correct one. Finding the right team ensures that all your assignments are organized in one place and that you're sending your work to the right instructor. Once you're in the right team, you'll need to locate the Assignments section. For that, take a look at the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on the Assignments option. It's typically represented with an icon that looks like a paper and pencil. This page will show you all the assignments that are available to you. From here, find the specific assignment that you need to complete. Click on it so that you can view the details and requirements. Now it's time to attach your work. Scroll down a little beneath the assignment details and you'll see an option to attach files. Click on the Attach button. This will open a window that lets you browse through your device's files. Locate the document that you wish to upload. Once you've found your file, select it and then click on Open. This will upload your document to the assignment. After the upload is complete, take a moment to verify that your document appears correctly. You should see it listed in the My Work section of the assignment. This is a great time to double-check that you uploaded the correct file. If your assignment consists of more than one document, you will want to repeat this attachment process until all necessary files are added. Simply click the Attach button again and upload additional documents in the same manner. Now you're almost done. Once every file is attached and you're confident that you've uploaded everything you need, it's time to submit your assignment. Look for the Turn In button located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click this button, it officially submits your work to your instructor. Make sure to review everything once more before you submit, just to ensure you haven't missed anything. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your assignment in Microsoft Teams. Remember, it's always a good habit to check back in on your assignment after submission to confirm that it was received without any issues. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out either to your instructor or peers, as they can provide assistance. Good luck with your assignment.